Hi all, we are back with a new topic. On our previous video, we got a feedback to share some tricks around Power Query. So in the interest of our viewers, we are planning to come up with a series of a video to help our users to get comfortable around Power Query and give them an excitement to explore power of it. Today, we are showing you how we can convert or change a raw data into a tabular form. One thing we should all understand, it is always advisable to show your work in a proper format as it saves times and it's easy to analyze, and also it makes a good impression over your receiver, whether it's your manager or it's your client. So our data is appearing in some like this format. It's a raw. Sometime you if you need to check a shruti number on a 2021, I will scroll here at 9:15. Okay, I'm checking shruti. So it's not advisable to analyze something in such a format, but this is a proper way of analyzing it. So it's pretty easy, and even a bare eyes I can read or understand that I'm reading sales of which year and for which person. To check this, how to do that, let's move on to the practical. So here's our data. It's a raw data again. So to transform this data, we need to first convert this into a table. To do that, click anywhere in the data and press Ctrl T. In my case, I have headers, so I'm clicking my table has headers. Okay, my data is converted into table. Now I have to import it. Go to the data from table range. It will import my data into an Power Query editor. So my data is imported now. Now, which field I need to transform? I need to transform only the years because my name are appearing in the column. So to do that, I just need to select the years, go to transform, go to unpivot columns and click on unpivot columns. See my data change and transform into as the in the format which we require. If you have observed, when we are importing data and after that we change or unpivot the columns, it started capturing my steps like like we do in a macros. So if in during the work we thought, okay, the last step I applied is not as per my requirement, so I don't need that. So I need to just click on this. It will remove that step and it will take me back to the initial stage. So let me do it again. Come to this unpivot column. Now I have to import it on the Excel, and I want it to import on the same tab where my data is. Close and load. I want my data to be on existing sheet on this row. So now you can validate that my numbers are correct. I can check it randomly. Yeah, it's coming correctly. Now the most powerful thing about a Power Query, this table is now is a automatically attached to this table. If any data add or any data update in this column, suppose I change it to 800, but here it's not changed because I need to refresh it. It's like a pivot table. Just click on refresh. Here it's updated. So it's a dynamic table. uh, for in Power Query, you normally need to just put your effort for the first time. The next time when data came, you just need to copy, and your all the steps are captured in the Power Query, and you just need to refresh the format. Hope you enjoy the topic. Please do like and subscribe our channel, and in coming period we'll share further series on this Power Query. Please provide your feedback and queries in comment section. We'll definitely come back to you via new video, or we can come back to you on your comments only.